ito yung first time na may attempt po kayo to have some sort of arrest being enforced. Naalala ko, medyo na water bomb pa yata yung mga PNP officers nung last time, di ba? At medyo kung ano-anong sinasabi nila na parang binibiktima mo sila. Even I think Duterte has also said something about this. So I was wondering if there was enough pre-planning and coordination this time at bakit mukhang sa tingin nyo medyo kapos pa rin yung preparations nyo. Did they also make certain
Oh,
adjustments? What's going on here?
um, uh, compared to the last time, nakapasok naman kami rito on our terms actually. Um, except for some resistance na talagang nagsa-sidetrack ng mga searching parties, we were able to do the searches. Kaya lang, syempre, considering that this is the first time that many of us or most of us or almost all of us had come into this compound, wala kaming familiarity sa struktura niya except for what the informants have been describing to us, which of course, they describe lang sa amin yan. So, we looked for him everywhere. May mga areas pa actually na hindi pa namin natatapos eh. So, we're still waiting for sunrise at magsimula uli kami sa paghahanap sa kanya.
So this is gonna be a whole overnight operation, so all the way
Yeah,
into tomorrow.
yeah,
That's what you're thinking. And you're gonna be on standby, General. I can see you all already
yeah,
the full gear
mm,
and all of that.
yeah.
Again, without giving away too much operational detail, are you expecting more help to come in from the national government in the coming hours or
Yeah.
so?
We are already planning the shifting. Siguraduhin namin na hindi namin bibitawan tong lugar na ito. At sisiguruhin namin na mahanap natin si Apollo Kibuloy dito.
And General, to what degree is also you feel pressure, especially kasi sabi ni President BBM the other day na heads will roll dahil doon nangyari kay Alice Go. Now, of course, thankfully, yung mga counterparts natin sa Indonesia were able to do their job. But some would say that was an embarrassment to the government and kind of an indictment of the law enforcement agencies. Are you feeling pressure na dahil doon nangyari kay Alice Go at yung mukhang nainis si BBM doon sa mga gaps na nangyari na this time we have to get this right when it comes to Kiboloy and this issue, or you're saying they're completely unrelated?
Obviously, there's really pressure kasi pati sa Senate lang, si Chis Escudero is a Senate President. Had already chided the PNP na nakakaya ng PNP, hindi mahuli-huli si Kibuloy, matagal nang may warrant. High-profile personality, karumaldumal ang kaso at hindi nahuhuli. So, it's really pressure on all of us here. So, sa ngayon, hahanapin namin tong tao na to.
And General, I know you need to move forward, but I want to also ask you, ano po yung masabi niyo dun sa mga accusation ng mga supporters ni Kibuloy? Including on SMNI kanina, inatak kayo na may bias daw kayo, na ang ginagawa niyo lang yung utusan niyo ng Amerika, na illegal po yung ginagawa niyo, aggressive at immoral po yung ginagawa niyo. Ano yung masabi niyo dun sa mga ganitong accusations laban sa inyo? What is the basis for you to enforce this arrest to begin with?
Expected naman sa kanila yan because natural, supporters ni Kibuloy ito eh. So, nasa kay Kibuloy na actually yan kung gusto niya talagang patunayan ang sarili niya na inosente or talagang habang buhay na lang na ganyan siya na may hinaharap na kaso. So, may mga sinasite ang kanyang abogado na kesyo pwedeng ganito, pwedeng ganon. But at the end of the day, he's not submitting himself to the jurisdiction of the court, kundi dito lang siya sa kanyang mga supporters at sinasabi niya inosente siya and his supporters, hook, line, and sinker, ay tinatanggap na inosente siya.
And General, speaking of that, I mean, how optimistic you are that something positive will happen in terms of making sure the rule of law prevails here?
Come again?
How optimistic you are na yung operation niyo this time might be more fruitful than before and in terms of moving forward in terms of rule of law. Kasi to be honest, this Kibuloy episode I don't think reflects very well on the country and yung allies natin. I mean, he has an FBI wanted list, so many people are wondering, about the effectiveness of our law enforcers. So how optimistic you are now we're moving in the right direction here?
Okay, so ito, I think we are doing right naman sa pag-enforce ng batas na to, ng warrant of arrest na to. We were able to convince them to surrender, to open the gate for us without any violence. Pero talagang, ang limitations talaga ng manpower din at saka nung time constraints, nakaisang araw pa lang tayo. Pero hopefully bukas, mahaba-habang araw, magsimula tayo ng maaga
So,
sa
General, just to
paghanap sa
confirm,
kanya.
has there been casualty or something? Because I'm seeing on Twitter and Facebook, some people are saying na may mga kilala sila, may casualty, may encounters, may violence na nangyari. Can you tell us what is the real score here, General, in terms of has there been encounters or armed confrontation so far?
Walang armed confrontation dito. May sinasabi sila na namatay na dahil na heart attack, and will be investigating that first kung talagang related ba yun sa operations na to or talaga namatay lang sa heart attack lang talaga.
And how do you make sure na hindi lalabas ng bansa like what happened with Alice Go? You were saying that malapit ito sa I mean, is it close to the airport? Could there be a way for some of these personalities to get out of the country? Kasi alam ko hindi lang naman si Kibuloy, 'di ba? 5 sila if I'm not mistaken na who have
Yeah.
warrants. Yeah.
Well, for one, the license of his private airline company was already revoked by CAAP. So naka-ground ang lahat ng kanyang mga aircraft. Itong aircraft niya kasi mayroon siya sariling hangar dito na connected diretso sa Davao International Airport. So uh, hopefully hindi siya makalabas ng basta-basta using the aircrafts na nandito.
And General, just asking about this. I mean, nakita natin kanina sa SMNI, they were talking about creating some sort of people power or incitement to rebellion or something like that. You're already saying na medyo overstretched kayo. Are there enough law enforcers there to make sure na hindi magkagulo dyan sa Davao? Depending on how much supporters will come out and how aggressive they're gonna get. Especially if you're successful. Let's say in the next 24 hours, mahuli niya talaga siya. For sure, there will be a response. Are you ready for the contingencies if ever they go into civil strife
Yeah.
or something more aggressive?
I don't believe that the KOJC has the numbers to master. Hindi ako naniniwala na ganun sila karami. Nagkataon lang na maingay lang talaga sila. At ang mga supporters nila are fanatics na talagang buong kabuhayan nila ibinibigay nila sa kay Kibuloy, and Kibuloy had been begging alms for spurious foundations that and he uses the proceeds. Yan ang kan eh. Hindi naman yan accusations ko eh. Yan ang mga items na naka-enumerate sa mga naging offenses niya both here and abroad.
And General, you're not concerned about the reaction from their key allies, important people like Duterte. I mean, Duterte is a very close friend of Kibuloy's. Are you also looking at contingencies if ever there's also pushback from those powerful figures?
We'll cross the bridge when we cross. We'll cross the bridge when we reach there. But right now, wala pa namang reaction kaming nakita sa mga Dutertes, except Senator Bato de la Rosa came over this afternoon just to check on what's happening. Wala naman siyang sinabing stop the operations or anything favoring one side. So ang sa kanya lang is just keep it civil, keep it peaceful.
As parting words, General, what do you have to say to people, to the Filipino people? How important is this operation? How can they cooperate? How can they be helpful in this situation? Perhaps not spread unnecessary fake news or disinformation, because I'm sure there are a lot of fake news being spread to create panic, to create backlash against the police forces. Ano po yung advice niyo? Is there any request you have to people?
The PNP will enforce the law without fear or favor. So please understand us that we are just enforcing the law. We're just doing our jobs, and this is nothing personal. And we really don't have anything personal against the person, except na meron na siyang warrant of arrest na kailan niyang harapin, order ng husgado, kaya kailangan namin i-serve talaga.
Thank you very much again, General. I hope we can get back to you once there are more developments. Alam ko medyo mahaba-habang gabi at I can see you're very exhausted. Maraming salamat, General Torre, the Director for Region 11, who is overseeing some very, very important operations that everyone is also looking at. Maraming salamat, sir. Get back to you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.